Good day, my name is Victor M. Lazaro, and my product is Baby Carrier with Back Support. Keeping your kid near to you has been demonstrated to benefit their growth, but using a carrier isn't always the best option for your back. Using a baby carrier is almost mandatory, but the style of carrier you choose is a crucial discussion point, especially when it comes to back pain. So that's why I created a baby carrier with back support. Baby carrier with back support. For improved mobility and decreased back pain, a baby carrier with back support is essential. The reason I chose this product is that there are still parents who are having difficulties with their children. In my opinion, a carrier that offers back support is more beneficial since it benefits both the child and the parents. Wearing it is comfortable and helps to avoid back strain. Both upper and lower back discomfort are lessened by it and using it. It is comfortable due to a buckle and strap that are difficult to remove or a child that falls out. This carrier is fastened in the front, particularly the back. Additionally, it features 3 pockets to hold baby items, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. The baby cries less frequently in this carrier and has an easier time falling asleep. Baby carriers keep the baby close and provide the infant with comfort and security while allowing the carrier some freedom to work and care for other members of the family. My estimated capital is 865,000 because the equipment that I use are 1. Industrial sewing machines have 4 units, 2. Overlock surgery machines have 2 units, 3. Bartok machine have 1 unit, 4. Cutting machine have 1 unit, 5. Heat press machine have 1 unit, 6. Snap press have 1 unit, 7 is malicious tools and equipment like scissors, rulers, cutting mats, and etc. And also, some material that I use are 1. Fabric that has 250 yards, 2. Padding or form insert that has 100 yards, 3. Nylon or polyester webbing that has 1,200 yards, 4. Buckles and clips that has 300 sets, 5. Thread that has 50 spools, 6. Elastic bands that has 200 yards, 7. Mesh that has 50 yards, and lastly, additional supplies, zippers, velcro, rivets, needle, etc. My target market are parents who live in Olongapo City because there are parents who have difficulty carrying their babies. With my product, I was sure that it would help them. They can make sure my product is beautiful and durable. They can use it on a daily basis wherever they go. Because of this product of mine, they can move more smoothly while carrying and guarding their children. Thank you.